It's time to buckle up. What's even happening anymore? Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62 cents, just ranging, but 2024, the year of X, right? Look at XRP's logo, guys. It's an X. The 24th letter, 2024, hopefully. It truly is time soon. Now guys, we're the phone part of XRP and the XRP community. Now this is called quite interesting, guys. There's so many interesting things happening, right? Especially with who? David Schwartz, guys. So what's going on here? David Schwartz just tweeted out, damn, this orphan beaver was raised by humans, never witnessed dam building behavior, still knows how, and has the urge to construct a dam, right? Interesting. The dam is about to break. Flood is coming. Noah cried, but no one would listen, guys, right? Is liquidity about to surge into, I don't know, the cryptosphere? But, what do we have here? What did the fish say when he swam into a wall? Damn. What did the fish say when he swam into a wall? Regulatory body. Interesting, guys. So is that what it is? Is that what it's about? Maybe about regulations, perhaps. So that's quite fascinating. Now, it gets even more strange, okay? You can't make any of this stuff up. So, we got the vice president right here. Global talent acquisition at Ripple, building and nurturing high-performing teams wherever I go. So, here we are at the Ripple holiday party. David Schwartz, so much fun, right? We can see David Schwartz right there. If you go down here, guys, check this out. This is just strange, isn't it? David Schwartz, you sporting the quote-unquote hot tub time machine ski suit, right? That's a little bit strange, isn't it? The hot tub time machine, guys. Why is that strange, you may ask? Well, because of this, right? Looking awfully similar to Doc Brown, guys, right? From the film Back to the Future, as you guys can see right here. So, when we talk about going back to the future, this was from Judy Shelton, quote, I don't see it so much as returning to the gold standard, more like back to the future. Wait, what? I think that what a gold standard stands for is monetary discipline for its own sake. Money is supposed to be a unit of account, a reliable measure, and a dependable store of value. It really shouldn't be subject to who's the chairman of the Federal Reserve. So, it's more like going back to the future, right? Gold will be coming into play, but with a cryptocurrency type of twist, supposedly. Look at this right here. It could be, I think what's missing is, it could be used in a very cryptocurrency type of way, right? There we go, guys. That's insane stuff, isn't it? When we talk about gold, though, breaking news, Costco sold $100 million worth of 1 ounce gold bars in its latest quarter, guys. $100 million. The hits keep coming, right? Costco members have taken a break from hot dogs and are buying gold. What? We're living in insane times, aren't we? I can't believe my eyes, right? A gold rush. That's insane. So we know the Riddlers are legit. Why? How? I owe the entire XRP. So what do we have here, guys? We have 2 films coming in 2024, right? The one called Imaginary, and we see a bear just sitting, right? Not to mention, what do we see on the floor? Right? Black and white. You guys know. Someone says it's a what? Masonic floor, right? Now, does that hint towards the bear being a what? A Mason? Not to mention, guys, I think even the bear, right? BG123, told everyone he was or he is one, right? Symbolically. But here are more proof in the damn pudding. Kanye is such a polarizing figure, and his movements create ripple effects in culture, right? Ripple. Connie West continues to ripple a controversy, right? Ripple again. Look at that, guys. Strange. Connie West, the college dropout, Ripple poster, right? The price tag is literally $8.95 USD. Okay, but wait a moment, it gets even crazier because there's a literal bear right there, guys. I mean, how many times is it too many times to be a coincidence, right? It eventually at some point comes down to probability of outcome. What is this, guys? Right? Episode 589, The Adventures of Connie West in the Sunken Place, from back in 2018. Episode 589, guys, and the connection to Connie West. What, guys? Right? Come on. At this point, I don't know. I don't know if you believe it or not, guys, but a lot of people have related to the number 5, 8, and 9, right? Now, predictive programming at its finest, what's really odd is Uphold has stated multiple times, not just once, guys, what is the first thing you would do if XRP reached $1,000, right? Multiple times. Then, I always knew that Uphold had some sort of connection with Ripple and XRP because of the X on the balloon, right? Right here. But then, when we talk about the number 589, guys, is it a price point? Is it this or that? What could it be? Do you get it now? 5, 8, and 9. USS Scorpion SSN 589 was a skipjack class nuclear powered submarine. Scorpion was lost in all hands on May 22nd, 1968. She is one of the 2 nuclear submarines in the United States Navy has lost. It leaks. Wreck of USS Scorpion, 400 miles southwest of. And then when 589 is released, guys, /reset, all liquidity will pour in, right? And then this connects to Davy Shorts and the dam, right? When it breaks, guys, liquidity will basically flood. So it seems as nukes would connect to the number 589. Wait, we just cracked the code, guys. This is what it's all about. So it truly was the reset at the end of times. Why? New, Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly building a Hawaii compound with plans for an escape hatch, quote-unquote blind doors, and an underground bunker. Right? When we're talking about nukes, guys, these people are literally building bunkers for themselves. Do you guys not see? Right? Really underground to survive the upcoming apocalypse, so to speak. Right? So why? What does Mark Zuckerberg knows? This is, oh, wait a moment. This is perhaps why he was selling his stock, guys. Right? His shares of his company. Well, 2 things. Maybe he knows that the collapse isn't coming. Oh, and then he what's it called? Said I should build myself a bunker, right? Just to be safe. Why? Because when the collapses occur, supposedly it ties in with the numbers 5, 8, and 9, right? Which is the reset. And the Scorpio or Scorpion was a nuclear powered submarine. Do we see the game plan? Right after the quote unquote Leave the World Behind movie produced by the Obamas comes out about the world's insiders having a heads up to the global catastrophe. There is a psychological operation being pushed on humanity right now. I don't think that most people get it, guys. Right? I mean, it's subliminal and predictive programming at the end of the day. This is what 589 truly means, it seems as, right? I think it means a number as well. But a repost from the family nuclear event from 10/3/22 with the text wind, right? Mr. Poole, not to mention the Riddlers, guys, have mentioned in plain English about nukes, right? Nuclear events. I mean, is it not, I'm not trying to fearmonger, but is it not a given at this point that something is going to literally explode, right? So that's interesting, guys. We even see here from Big Short. He tweeted a few S-ton, guys. We can't go through all of them, but New Times, KO or OK dot dot and a few images. But if you go up here, amen, right? This would pertain towards supposedly North America. Look at that. North and then America, right? N equal 14, which is the heart, right? From bear breakdown 1 to 3. Then we see pedal. Someone said that's cycles. To the metal, right? Gas or brake pedal. We then see unbelievable and events. So it seems as events will be pertain towards America or North America, and maybe some catastrophe could be on the horizon, guys, right? Maybe perhaps connecting to 5, 8, and 9. Who knows, guys, right? We're just trying to connect the dots here, but it sure seems like these people, right, the insiders, are telling the community for what's upcoming, right? Are we going to heed their call? I guess in the end, it's your choice, guys. Not financial advice. And I wanted to mention, guys, New Times, right here, this tweet, New Times will connect to with Mr. Poole. Why? Because Mr. Poole pointed towards New Times multiple times before to stay calm, right? And Sweet Sorrow, that looks like a skull, right? And then, is there an imminent threat to North America? The answer was yes, guys. It's guaranteed. I'm not trying to fearmonger. No, guys. I'm not here to fearmonger. There is a threat incoming. And if you live in North America, then you may want to be safe out there. At the same time, XRP will have a sudden rise in value. I'm holding 33%. I'm literally never going to let go, guys, right? Ending times. Final weeks. Look at this, guys. He warned people what's upcoming, right? Literally. This frog ties into nuke, right? An explosion, I think. So I'm not here to fearmonger, but in the end, just be safe out there, right? Not financial advice or not anything advice, guys. Unless nothing will happen, right? Who knows? At the end of the day. So, but anyways, guys, hope you guys amazingness. See ya. Prepare.